Hey guys, happy Monday. So we officially only have 2 weeks left of school. You're gonna have work for this week, and then next week the sixth grade team's planning this really good, exciting virtual field trip for every single day next week. So you won't exactly have like math, science, history like you guys do now. You're just gonna have a virtual field trip that you guys will go on and some fun activities to go along with it. So some things I wanted to go on, I'm on a student account now. Remember that AR is still going on. So Get Epic is down here at the bottom. And there's our Rice game, it's loading. So here's where Get Epic is. So you can use this, and then here's the classroom code to read free books. And then remember that you still have the AR link right here where you can go ahead and take tests, okay? So make sure that you guys are taking AR. AR goals are due by Wednesday, so make sure you're taking tests and that you're reading books. In addition, this is where the Meet link is. So from 1:30 to 2:30 are my office hours. So you can push on that link and it will automatically bring you to Meet with me. So I'll close that. And then all 8 are missing work. Where could you find that? So today for language arts on Monday, I didn't assign any language arts, or I'm sorry, I didn't assign any literature homework for Monday, June 1st, because I wanted you guys to catch up on some of your missing assignments for those of you that are missing assignments. So watch that video, it's going to explain how to do it. But if you push right here, and I won't push it, if you push right there, that's going to bring you to all of your graded papers. So anything that has a 0, you're going to want to redo. Nothing that says missing, you're looking for 0. So anything that has a 0, reopen it, redo the assignment, and send me an email or comment on that assignment and say, Miss Van, I fixed this assignment, and I'll go back in and I'll regrade it and catch you guys up. Your launch for this week is from Michael Jordan. It says, I cannot accept failure. Everyone fails at something. I'm sorry, I can accept failure. Everyone fails at something, but I can't accept not trying again. Michael Jordan. Guys, that is life. Miss Man has failed at so many things, but it's about getting back up and continuing to move on and learning from your mistakes. So don't be afraid to make a mistake. Go out there, live your life, but learn from those mistakes is the biggest thing. I hope you guys have an awesome week, guys. We only have 2 more weeks left with each other, so make it a great week. Pop into office hours, say hello, and we can hang out and maybe play some games. Have a great week. Bye, guys.